Hi everyone, I am Ella Marie P. Romero and I'm super excited to be here with all of you. I currently live in the Philippines, specifically in the province of Catanduanes. Our province is known as the Happy Island because of its resilient people, even they face problems. Honestly, I really love this place. I am taking this course because I am really interested in speaking to inform, discussing complex ideas with clear explanations and dynamic slides. I believe that being able to explain things is so important, especially when you are dealing with complicated topics. I want to get better at breaking down those complex ideas and making them easy for everyone to understand. Plus, who does not love a good slideshow? As a primary teacher, I usually work on informational presentations related to teaching. For example, the solar system is one of our topics in science. It is really important to me that learners walk away feeling like they have learned something new and useful. When I think about a good informative speaker, my college professor, Miss Emlyn Lanon, immediately comes to my mind. What makes her so effective? In my opinion, is her ability to connect with the audience on a personal level, use storytelling to illustrate her points, and simplify complex information into digestible nuggets. I think that's something we can all learn from. I'm really looking forward to learning from all of you and improving my speaking skills together. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.